Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 23rd of October, 2024. Indian equity indices ended lower on October 23rd with Nifty below 24,450. At close, the Sensex was down 138.74 points or 0.17% at 80,081.98, and the Nifty was down 36.60 points or 0.15% at 24,435.50. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Auto, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Tata Consumer were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers included M&M, Sun Pharma, NTPC, Power Grid Corp and Shriram Finance. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of JYOTI Structures jumped 5% on October 23rd, after the firm bagged a letter of acceptance from Adani Energy Solutions for an order worth 450 rupees crore. In comparison, the company's free-float market capitalization is 2,100 rupees crore. The scope of work includes the survey, soil investigation, supply of towers, foundations, erection, stringing and commissioning of LILO of 765 kV DC Pudge Ilacadia transmission line at Navanal, Gujarat on a turnkey basis. The timeline for the order is 18 months, so the project should be completed by April 2026. In August, the company landed a 106 rupees crore contract to supply towers for a 765 kV transmission line from a private developer with a 10-month deadline. Back in July, it secured an almost 118 rupees crore deal with Adani Energy Solutions for constructing and supplying parts for the 765 kV CKPS3 AP44 transmission line, to be completed by October 10, 2025. Over the past year, shares of JYOTI Structures have run up 140%, more than doubling investors' wealth. In comparison, the Nifty 50 index has gained about 27% during the same time period. Shares of FIRSTSOURCE Solutions jumped 10% to 344 rupees in the morning trade on October 23 after the company announced plans to build a domain-centric large language model specifically for the US mortgage sector. This move, under its FIRSTSOURCE REL AI suite, aims to leverage its expertise in the mortgage process, enhancing services with AI-driven capabilities like credit assessments, loan quality checks, and document digitization. The LLM shortens the time for pre-qualification and formal loan applications, offering a smooth, digital end-to-end experience for loan processing. It combines the ease of self-service with the personalized support of a loan officer, ensuring efficiency throughout. Equipped with features such as classification, extraction, recommendations, and summarization, the LLM will assist in credit assessments, loan quality checks, mortgage document digitization, risk assessment, and more. It will also enhance loan receivables management and automate processes while accelerating the creation of AI copilots and agentic workflows. Generative AI is transforming both our business and our clients' operations, and the mortgage is a critical domain for us, and we are uniquely positioned to capture the opportunity with the interplay of domain knowledge and technology, Ritesh Idnani, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer at FIRSTSOURCE, said. Shares of COFORGE surged over 12% to hit an all-time high of 7,632 rupees per share on October 23 after the company's solid Q2 earnings performance bolstered investor sentiment. The company's net profit grew around 9% on quarter to 255.20 rupees crore in the September quarter, up from 234.60 rupees crore in the previous quarter. The improved earnings were also aided by the company's recent acquisition of Cigniti Technologies. Revenue also grew 27.5% sequentially to 3,062 rupees crore in Q2 as against 2,401 rupees crore in the April-June quarter. Meanwhile, COFORGE also reported a total order intake of $516 million in Q2, including 3 large deals, marking the 11th consecutive quarter with order intake steady above $300 million. COFORGE's order book, executable over the next 12 months, touched $1.3 billion, implying a 40% year-on-year surge. Additionally, the company added 13 clients during the quarter. Shares of PAYTM parent 197 Communications gained over 8% on October 23 as the company received a nod from the National Payments Corporation of India to onboard new UPI users, nearly 9 months after the Reserve Bank of India placed an embargo on the addition of new customers. In a letter to founder and Chief Executive Officer Vijay Shekhar Sharma, NPCI Chief Dilip Aspi approved and permitted the fintech to begin new user onboarding. The nod to onboard new users may lead to an increase in UPI transaction volumes for the company. This follows the company's announcement on October 21 that it recorded a net profit of 930 Indian rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2025, a significant turnaround from a net loss of 290 rupees crore in the same period last year. However, this profit was largely attributed to a one-time gain of 1,345 rupees crore from the sale of its movie ticketing business to Zomato. Without this, the fintech company would have faced a net loss of 415 rupees crore, exceeding the loss reported in the year-ago period. PAR Drugs and Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 26.56 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 90.998 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 239.39, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 64.25. Soma Textiles and Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45.86 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 240.48 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 43.63, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 57.30. Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1,188.75 points with a change of 16.53% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.537 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1,040.50, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.42. For the stock recommendation we have, Indian Energy Exchange Limited looks good and can be bought at 183 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 177 rupees and a target of 189 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.